Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is this package which I have received from Wishcare. They have sent me these two shampoo and conditioner. They have also sent me Wishcare's 100% pure Moroccan argan oil, which looks like this. It is cold pressed oil, suitable for all skin types. Now guys, I'm not going to review about this in this video. I'm going to make another video on this completely because this is such a powerful oil, such a powerful product that I definitely need to make another video, so stay tuned for that. But now what I'm going to talk about is this how these products look like. The packaging is amazing. Wishcare is an Indian brand and they support the made in India. They are cruelty free, they are paraben sulfate free, which is amazing, and I am personally loving such products जो हमें कुछ natural देना चाहते हैं, not things which are filled with chemicals, but where there are way less chemicals. So let's talk about this in detail. Now the best part what I loved of this is bottles are recyclable, which is amazing. It's made with natural ingredients, which I'm going to talk about. Now let's start with the shampoo. The packaging is very good, easy to use, which is amazing. It has a nice pump on both the conditioner and the shampoo, which is very easy when you use it in the shower. This shampoo and conditioner is suitable for all hair types, colored hair, and even if some treatments you have done, so it's all for the treated and color hair. It has all the natural ingredients, guys. You will not believe, but this has some yummy ingredients which are so natural. It has argan oil, it has biotin, vitamin B6, B3, olive oil, it has licorice, which is called muletti, rosemary, castor oil. Guys, this all is there in this natural product. ये इतना अच्छा है, and let me tell you guys, this is 300 ml of product. ये इतना product है, इसकी जो value है is worth if you buy, because ये गुणकारी शैम्पू है, तो ये 300 ml की बॉटल वर्थ है आपके बालों के लिए. This has argan oil. अभी आर्गन ऑयल आपके बालों को फ्रिज फ्री रखता है, शाइन देता है. इसमें है विटामिन B6, B3. विटामिन B6 हेयर लॉस को कंट्रोल करता है. विटामिन B3 आपके बालों को हेल्दियर एंड लशियस बनाता है, एंड आपके जो हेयर फॉलिकल्स है उनको स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. इसमें ऑलिव ऑयल है जो आपके बालों को नरिश करता है, मॉइस्चराइज करता है. तो ये सब है इसमें, बिकॉज इसमें इतनी नेचुरल चीज़ें डाली है, आपको इसमें हर गुण मिलता है. हेयर लॉस, हेयर शाइन, मॉइस्चराइजर, ड्राई स्कैल्प आपका दूर होगा, आपके बाल हेल्दी और लशियस हो जाएंगे, जो हर एक लड़की को चाहिए. Frankly speaking, मेरे बाल, you can see, I use lot of oils, you know, I oil my hair regularly. I really like my hair the way they have turned. I don't need to do much things. It's not like लाइट मार के शाइन नहीं दिखानी है, बट नेचुरली जो हुआ है वो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. विशकेयर आर्गन बायोटिन शैम्पू इज फॉर्मुलेटेड टू रिस्टोर डैमेज्ड हेयर स्ट्रैंड्स and provide intensive conditioning and yet effectively cleanse your hair, infused with benefits of argan, biotin and other natural ingredients. This shampoo promises you a complete hair care solution which gives you a confident and nourished hair. This is a ye from my side, guys. ये बहुत ही अच्छा शैम्पू है, और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो यही है कि I really love this shampoo. You can easily give it a try. Now talking about conditioners, I do not use conditioners, but my mother-in-law used this and she really liked it. She said it's not like other conditioners जो जिसकी वजह से बाल गिरते हैं. Even if you have noticed or no, but when I use conditioners, my hair falls, you know, वो hair fall ज़्यादा लगता है, but this did not do that. So when I used the shampoo for the third time, तो मैंने एक बार ट्राई किया and I really loved it, guys. ये वैसा नहीं है जैसे बाकी कंडीशनर्स होते हैं. This argan vanilla conditioner volume booster enriched with coconut, shea and aloe vera. It's again sulfate and silicone and paraben free, which is amazing. Now this is also filled with amazing natural ingredients. सबसे पहले जिसका नाम आता है vanilla extract. So when I show you the conditioner, इसमें वेनिला एक्सट्रैक्ट है. सो द खुशबू इज अमेजिंग. वेनिला जैसी खुशबू आती है, कोकोनट की खुशबू आ रही है, कोकोनट क्रीम की खुशबू आ रही है, बिकॉज इसमें है कोकोनट क्रीम है, कोकोनट ऑयल है. गाइज मैंने ये सब लिखा हुआ है बिकॉज यू नो समटाइम इट्स नॉट एवरी टाइम इट्स पॉसिबल कि मैं आपको ऐसे ही बता दूँ. सो आई क्विकली टेल यू, इसमें एलोवेरा है जो आपके ऑयली हेयर के लिए अच्छा है. यू नो बिकॉज एलोवेरा ऑयली हेयर्स को क्लीन करता है. इट रिमूव्स द ऑयल एंड क्लीन्स योर हेयर. देन इसमें नीम ऑयल है जो आपके स्कैल्प को क्लीन करता है. अगर आपको कुछ इचीनेस है, देयर आर सम मेनी थिंग्स, वो इची स्कैल्प होता है वो दूर करता है. फिर इसमें है आलमंड ऑयल जो ब्रेकेज रिड्यूस करता है, वो आपके बालों को स्ट्रॉन्ग करके उसकी ब्रेकेज रिड्यूस करता है. फिर इसमें कोकोनट ऑयल है जो हेयर ग्रोथ करता है. सनफ्लावर ऑयल है जो डीपली नरिश और सूद करता है ड्राई हेयर को. अ प्रोडक्ट लाइक विश केयर should be definitely tried without any doubt because it is for the best. It's made in India. सबसे पहली बात, they think about the nature which is amazing. The packaging is recyclable, repeating again because I love this thing about them. Then the shampoo and the conditioner are filled with natural ingredients, very mild formulation. और वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि इसको प्रिजर्व करना पड़ता है, बॉटल में प्रिजर्व रहेगा and it will last you the up to the what do you say 24 months of the manufacturing date. अगर आप बाकी शैम्पूज को रीड करो, उनके इतने बड़े बड़े जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स के पैराग्राफ्स होते हैं, आप उनको रीड करो और इसके रीड करो इंग्रेडिएंट. इसमें एक ह्यूज डिफरेंस है गाइज. इट्स वर्थ फॉर योर हेयर, it's worth for the nature around us, and their slogan "You wish we care" is something that they really care about us. They really care about the nature, which is the best thing. Now this is available on all e-commerce platforms. I checked, this is available on Nykaa, it's available on Amazon. You can check their website as well. So yes, if you care, do buy them because you wish and they care about you. You do like, subscribe, share and subscribe, yeah, to my channel, and I'll be making more such videos. I'm very much active on Instagram with Sahib, so do check out my Instagram page. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care, you be happy and you be stylish. Bye.